want to talk to you today about SignalPeak. Now, this is a channel on Telegram that I've been following for, I would say, maybe 3 months. And on YouTube, this playlist that you're watching right now, since I got invested into SignalPeak, guys, it has been a journey of unstoppable profits. So let me show you what I'm talking about. There's a link down below to get a discount. I'll also touch on that. Let's go. So disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes. What exactly does this give? So the SignalPeak company, the whole ecosystem is like this, all right? They give you over 100 crypto trading groups. They give you over 50 Forex groups. And between them, you pay one price to get access to all of them. Okay, with Alex Friedman, as you can see, it is one of the most popular groups. And it's the one that I've been making incredible money from, all right? They send a signal in that looks like, but first of all, guys, look at these profits, 20%. 150%, 125%, 25%. Absolutely incredible. So the signal will look like this. They have the token, the CVC to USDT. They'll tell you the exchange, which is Bybit. They'll tell you which direction, which is short, and they'll give you the entry. So this is the exact point of where you want to get into the trading. Then, guys, at these points, you can take your profit. These are moments where they say it will reach to. It doesn't mean it's going to reach all of them, but at bare minimum, you can take money here. Can't actually physically trade for you, so you need to make that decision. Next thing is the risk, the stop loss. They will tell you put your stop loss here, so you don't lose all of your money. If it hits that, then you lose, guys. That's absolutely fine. Trading is not about winning every single trade. It's about winning the majority of trades. But you can see this one is already up 20%, 150%, 120%. Huge, huge gains, guys. And this goes on for all of these groups. Hundreds and hundreds of different groups. Over 100 crypto groups and over 50 Forex groups, guys, for that price. And even better, you can start right now for absolutely free. What I want to do for you is show you exactly how you can take one of these signals. So let's go into, for example, a Glassnode daily. All right, I'm going to go to the bottom and I'm actually going to show you how to take one of these signals. So trading signal here, you can see it's SXP to BTC. So I'm going to go over to my trading view. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this token. And not only can you see how to take the signal, but also this is going to show you if you want to confirm the signal. So we know that that's the token. The next thing that it tells us is that this is a sell. How crazy that a signal just came up as we were speaking. This is a sell, all right, at 0.0000396, which is, guys, if we have a look, exactly at this point. So they're asking us to sell at the top of this candle. Okay, so if we mark this off right now, they said to us to sell short position at the top of this candle here. Okay, and they asked us to sell to when. Let's have a look. So they're saying sell, guys, and they're saying for this candle. Okay, that's what Glassnode Daily does. It says to sell. It doesn't have a point to hit. It just has a 4-hour candle, so it's always a 4-hour trade. So if we actually mark this up, already, guys, if you decided to take this sell, you would have been in profit, okay? You would have been in this much profit here. Now, it has gone back up and retracted, so this is why I'm saying it's up to you. If you decide, okay, let me just put this here. If you decide that you want to take all of this profit, see where that is right now, okay? All of this profit you would have already have made from the point to here. You'd already have made 4% gain. 4%, guys, all right? Now, if you decide that you wanted to wait it out until the end of the candle, and it does reach, say, engulfing that candle, you could be looking at about an 8 to 7%. So my point to this is, guys, is completely up to you. But as you can see, exactly what they said did happen, all right? They sold the 4-hour candle, but it does not mean you have to wait 4 hours. Take profit. This is nearly at the end. I would have took that profit. It's a free day, free trial for you if you hit that link down below and go through the instructions so you can test all of this, all 100 groups. You can use the signals, you can make money, and then you'll get kicked out in 3 days and pay your own subscription. So guys, if you want to get involved in this, the first thing you should do is not only hit that link, but watch all the videos in my playlist so you can see that they've been making money for months and I've been showing the world. Hit that link down below to get that discount, and I'll see you next time.